Today I'm showing you a quick fix for replacing a broken hood safety catch on a Mercedes-Benz GLE 350. As you can see, the metal components here are heavy duty, but the plastic handle is a weak link and mine finally snapped off. The only tool you would need for the entire job is a 10mm socket wrench. First, we need to get the old unit off. It's held onto the hood by just 2 screws. So go ahead and loosen those up, spin them out, and the broken catch would come right off. For the replacement, I'm using a genuine Mercedes-Benz part. I picked this up directly from the Mercedes-Benz parts store for about $55. I'll drop the specific part number and links in the description below. Here's a comparison of the broken one and the new replacement part. As you see, the plastic handle can break off in use. It would have been a better design if the handle was made of metal. Installing the new one is just as simple as the removal. Line up the brackets, hand tighten the 2 nuts to make sure they aren't cross-threaded, and then snug them down with your 10mm socket wrench. And that's it, our hood is safe and functional again. Thanks for watching.